Hello, YouTubers. This is Jerry, the journeyman. I want to say hi to WWE, the wrestling fans. This is more for you. This is my unpacking of a WWE plaque. Okay, now I usually do videos to do, do repairs, but this is totally different, so you can just turn it off if you're not a wrestling fan. Anyway, so the story goes, WrestleMania number 34 was in Orlando. Orlando was in the New Orleans. I don't know, the last, whatever. So my uncle Vroovis, he called me on the phone and he said, I know it's around your birthday. They got this big WWE superstore. And anyway, I'm going to surprise you. So when I get back home, I'm going to mail you a WWE plaque. I'm not going to tell you who it is. You'll be surprised. So I'm going to open this package. And it's going to be a WWE plaque. I'm going to see who it is. And I'm going to give you a review on it. Okay? Now, when you get the package of anything, I use what they call the boxer knife. It's got the razor blade, very, very sharp. So you be careful. You don't want to cut yourself, especially like this white blanket here. You're gonna get the blood. It's gonna be hard to even bleach. I didn't even think the bleach gonna do nothing. But anyway, so I'm very excited. My Uncle Vroovis always thinks of me, of his nephew Jerry, and he's gonna give me this. He's gonna give me this present. So I'm gonna open. We're gonna see what surprise Uncle Vroovis gave to me. Hold on. Okay, so I do a slit on the end of the box. The end of the box right there. And I'm gonna take the box. So around the I'm gonna do the slit. This is my unboxing video. I've never done one of these. I'm very excited. So I open. Oh, okay, it opened. The box opened. I shake the box. I don't hear no broken pieces of the glass, cause I know I have a couple of the plaques, and they look at the glass. Like right here, look at that. Oh, I got the edge. Oh, the edge is from last match. Oh, the AS style. So this is number 3 for me. I can't wait to see what it is. Okay. Oh, it's in the bubble wrap. Oh boy. It was like it's Christmas. It's early Christmas for Jerry. Oh, does you see this? Oh, okay. Oh, I see hologram. Oh, that means it's authentic. If it don't got no hologram, it could be bootleg from Chinese. Okay, so let's see who it is. I don't know who it is. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over, and we're all gonna be surprised together. I'll open. Flip it. Oh my God! It's a Sasha Banks. It's a Sasha Banks plaque. I don't have these. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, I got the autograph. You see the autograph in the gold? She got the gold and she add the little message. Look at that. Oh, she legit boss, she said. Oh, look at that, number 3 of 5. They mean they 3 of 5. That means 5 of them. They only make 5 of these, and I own one. Number 3, which would be like a Wednesday, a hump a day. In the middle child, like the Brady Bunch. You have the what's her name? Jan Brady, the middle child, or the Bobby boy, I think, with the boy Brady, the middle. So this is the middle child of the 5. Now look at this. Look at this. It's very nice. It's got the black the trim. Oh yeah, look at that trim. Oh, it has a little caption of the word saying, "Oh, she defeated the Alexa Bliss to come 4-time Raw champion, even though she lost the belt not too long." And then look at that. Oh, it got a piece of the mat, the ring canvas. Now, I want my honest opinion. I know a lot of the trading cards, like the tops, they all have a little piece of the mat. All the plaques have a piece of mat. I wonder how many of these were actually used during the match. Does each match, do they tear off the mat and use a new one, so they have thousands and millions of pieces of the mat to sell you, like I'm supposed to believe that Sasha, like she sweated on that, or the Brock Lesnar, his blood, a spear, his spear oozed the DNA. I don't think so, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, look at that. It's got the glass. It's glass, I think. Or it could be a plexiglass, which would be like a plastic. But anyway, look at that signature one more time in the gold. And it's not too big, you know, sometimes they got the long old plaques. This one's kind of small. Oh, that's very, very nice. Look at on the back, the oh, look at that freaking hologram. Oh, that's so shiny. Look at those colors, like it's, oh, see, look, it says authentic. It means like there. And look at all. Oh, yeah, 10 by 18. Okay, 10 by 18. And look. Oh, look. Holy sh! Oh my God! Holy crap! Oh crap! Oh God! Look at this. Look, Sasha Banks. $350. Uncle Vroovis spent $350 plus the taxes. Oh my God! I feel so guilty. How would he spend that much for me? Oh God. Oh God, after I finish, I'm gonna call Uncle Vroovis and tell him how much I'm thankful and I love him. But anyway, oh my God, that's so much money. I can't get over it. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, it's copper. That's authentic copper too. That's not like plastic copper. I think that's real copper. Oh, look at like Nick and Pennies don't even be no copper no more. But yes, so anyway, look at that one more time. Oh boy. Oh yes, look at that. That's very nice. I like the black. It's very cool. I could have expected. I thought I was going to get something stupid, maybe like a Bludgeon Brothers plaque, or I was gonna get the Bodales, the Curtis Axel, the Ascension. I don't want none of them. So at least I got the boss, the legit boss. The boss, like the Bruce Springsteen. You know Bruce Springsteen, Mr. Dance in the Dark, Mr. Born in USA. He's born in USA, but people are stupid. Like Ronald Reagan thought, oh, that's a pro-American, but he really don't know. It was kind of anti-American. The Vietnam War. But anyway, that's not a little too political. But anyway, look at that. One last time. I encourage 4 of you, because I'm keeping this one. I'm never going to sell this one. To get this plaque. Number 1, number 2, number 4, or number 5. I would love to see those plaques. They're probably all on eBay. I understand. That is cool. If you have it, I would like to see a picture. Maybe one day they all meet up. Family reunion. Number 3 meets number 1, meets number 2, meets number 4, meets number 5. A big ol' happy party. Wrestling fans. The Plaques reunite. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the boxing. Heart is racing. It's the beating from my chest. I need to call Uncle Vroovis. So I love you wrestling fans. You probably don't love me back. It's okay. We don't know each other. I like this. And it's so cool, and thank you so much for watching my unboxing video and to see my genuine 100% happiness. And thank you guys.